we're going to explain how to update your Python version across different operating systems. Updating Python involves several steps depending on your setup and operating system. It's crucial to back up your important data before making any significant system changes. 1. Checking your current Python version. Before updating, always check your current Python installation. On Windows, open your command prompt, cmd.exe, or PowerShell, and type Python, version or Py, version. On macOS or Linux, open your terminal and type Python 3, version or Python, version. Note the version number displayed. This helps you confirm if an update is needed and which version you're moving to. 2. Updating Python on Windows. Updating Python on Windows usually involves downloading the latest version from the official Python website, python.org. Download the installer appropriate for your system, 64-bit or 32-bit, and run it. During installation, make sure to check the box that adds Python to your path environment variable. This allows you to run Python from any command prompt or PowerShell window. After installation, verify the update by checking the version again using the command mentioned above. If you used a previous installer which didn't update the path environment variable, you'll need to manually add it using Windows settings. 3. Updating Python on macOS. macOS users often use the Homebrew package manager to install and manage Python. If you have Homebrew installed, updating Python is straightforward. Open your terminal and run brew update followed by brew upgrade Python. This will update your Python installation to the latest version managed by Homebrew. Alternatively, you can download the latest Python installer directly from python.org and follow a similar procedure to the Windows instructions. Ensure that Python is added to your path if it wasn't already. 4. Updating Python on Linux. The method for updating Python on Linux distributions varies depending on the distribution itself, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, etc. Most distributions use their own package managers, apt, yum, dnf. For example, on Ubuntu or Debian, you might use sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade Python 3, or the specific package name for your Python version. Consult your distribution's documentation to determine the exact commands to update your Python installation. Remember to always use sudo before commands that need root privileges. Some Linux distributions might recommend using a virtual environment to manage Python installations, which is considered a best practice. 5. Using a virtual environment, recommended. Regardless of your operating system, using a virtual environment is highly recommended for managing Python projects. Virtual environments isolate project dependencies, preventing conflicts between different projects' libraries. To create a virtual environment, use the command python3m venv environment _name. Replace environment _name with your desired name. Activate the environment. The exact activation command depends on your OS and the tool used, and install packages using pip within that environment. This keeps your system's global Python installation separate and allows for more control over individual projects. Updating Python within a virtual environment will only impact that specific environment and will not affect other projects. Remember to always consult the official Python documentation and your operating system's documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions. After updating, verify the new version by using the Python version